Ever heard of a dining car that battles winter?
Imagine a train slicing through icy landscapes, its passengers cozy inside, experiencing something unique. This isn't just any train journey, but a captivating culinary ride through Siberia, home to the indigenous Evenki people. The Evenki have adapted to harsh climates for centuries, living in harmony with the dense forests and freezing temperatures. But what stands out during this travel is the train's dining car, a warm, inviting space where traditional Evenki recipes come to life. The highlight? A dish that's not just food, but a survival technique against the cold. It's made from indigenous ingredients, capturing the essence of the Evenki's connection to nature and their resilience. This dining experience offers more than just a meal. It's a journey through history, culture, and the spirit of a people who have thrived in one of the planet's most challenging environments. So, next time you're looking for an adventure, consider this: a train trip where the dining car is your gateway to understanding the soul of Siberia.
Ever heard of Bhutan's flying treasure? Discover the hidden secret.
In the mystical mountains of Bhutan, there's an ancient tale few outside its borders know. Here, among the clouds, it is said a dragon, unlike any other, guards a treasure not of gold, but of wisdom. Long ago, a young monk named Tenzin sought to find this elusive dragon. His journey led him to the highest peak, where the air was thin and the world below seemed like a distant dream. Tenzin meditated for 7 days and 7 nights, calling out to the dragon with his pure heart. On the 7th night, under a blanket of stars, the dragon appeared, its scales shimmering with the wisdom of the ages. Instead of offering jewels or gold, the dragon bestowed upon Tenzin an understanding of the interconnectedness of all life. Tenzin returned to his village, not with physical riches, but with a heart full of compassion and a mind enlightened. He became a revered healer, teaching that the true treasure was not something that could be held in one's hands, but what could be kept in one's heart.
Did you know a dentist changed the course of history? Find out how!
Imagine needing a dentist so badly, it actually changes history. Sounds crazy, right? But it happened. Back in the wild days of the American Revolution, there was this guy named Paul Revere. Yeah, the Midnight Ride hero. But aside from yelling about the British, he had another skill. He was a dentist. Now, here comes the twist. After a fierce battle, a young American officer named Joseph Warren died, and they buried him in a mass grave. Months later, they wanted to give him a proper burial, but here's the problem. They couldn't tell which one he was. Enter our man Paul. Using his dentistry skills, he identified Warren by the unique dental work he had done for him. That's right, a dentist literally helped the Americans remember one of their heroes. So next time you visit your dentist, just think, they might just be a history-changing hero in disguise.
Ever met a dog who could talk? No, seriously. What if I told you there was one?
Let me tell you about Don, a remarkable dog from Germany in the late 1910s. Don wasn't an ordinary dog. He was known as the talking dog. Now, I know what you're thinking. Dogs can't talk, right? But Don, a terrier, astonished everyone by communicating with humans. His way of talking? Utilizing a series of growls, barks, and whines, Don could imitate German words so convincingly that he actually participated in phone conversations. People were so amazed by Don's abilities that he became a sensation, featured in newspapers and performing in front of large audiences. Imagine calling your friend and instead of them, having a chat with their dog. Don's story reminds us how incredibly intelligent and surprising animals can be, pushing the limits of what we believe is possible. So next time you're chatting with your pet, listen closely. You might just be on the verge of a breakthrough conversation.
Ever heard of a desert night sky timekeeper?
Deep in the heart of the Sahara, among the Tuareg people, exists a fascinating tradition that connects the vast, starry night sky to the ancient rhythms of life. Unlike how most of us glance at a watch or smartphone to tell time, the Tuareg have mastered an extraordinary method. They use the positions of the stars. Imagine navigating the endless dunes and knowing exactly when it's time to rest, move, or celebrate, all by looking up into the cosmos. This practice isn't just about survival. It's deeply woven into their culture, stories, and songs. It connects them to their ancestors and to the universe in a way that's hard to find in our modern digital world. So next time you look up at the night sky, think of the Tuareg and how those same stars guide an entire way of life in one of the most challenging environments on Earth.
Did you know India hides a secret in plain sight?
Imagine a place in India, not known by many, that can leave you awestruck. Nestled in the small town of Kodinhi in the southern state of Kerala lies a mysterious phenomenon that puzzles scientists and locals alike. This town, with about 2,000 families, holds a startling secret. It has the highest number of twins born in the world. With over 200 pairs of twins, Kodinhi's twin rate is far above the global average, and what's more intriguing, the number of twins being born each year is only increasing. The locals call it the Twin Town, but scientists and doctors are still trying to unravel the mystery behind this unusual genetic marvel. Is it something in the water, a peculiar diet, or genetic predisposition? This twin mystery continues to puzzle and fascinate the world, making Kodinhi a must-visit for those intrigued by the wonders of human genetics.
Ever heard of a gem-swallowing elephant? Discover Sri Lanka's mystical creature.
In the lush jungles of Sri Lanka, amongst the ancient ruins and whispering winds, a tale is told of a mystical elephant, unlike any other. This isn't your ordinary elephant. It's rumored to have the magical ability to find and swallow precious gemstones, which can be found abundantly in Sri Lanka's riverbeds. Legend has it that this elephant, known as the Mani Katiya, roams the forests under the moonlight, using its inherent powers to uncover buried treasures deep within the earth. Villagers speak of times when the Mani Katiya, after consuming these gems, would retreat to a secret cave where the stones would merge with its being, giving it a radiant, ethereal glow that could be seen through the thicket of the forest. On rare occasions, it's said that if one were to find the elephant's resting place and earn its trust, the Mani Katiya would grant them a gem as a token of friendship, bringing them fortune for a lifetime. This folktale not only mesmerizes with the idea of a gem-eating elephant, but also highlights the rich culture and the value of natural resources in Sri Lanka, making it an enchanting story passed down through generations.
What secret lies beneath a Swiss lake?
Nestled in the serene landscapes of Switzerland lies Lake Toma, often referred to as the Rhine River's source. However, what many don't know is the lake holds a lesser-known secret beneath its tranquil waters. This seemingly ordinary lake is the starting point of a vital environmental phenomenon. During spring, as snow melts from the surrounding mountains, Lake Toma not only fills up but also begins a spectacular journey. It plays a crucial role in feeding the Rhine, which stretches over 1,230 kilometers, flowing through 6 countries, before reaching the North Sea. But here's the twist. Scientists believe that the waters of Lake Toma have underground connections with other water bodies in the region, hinting at a hidden underwater network. This underwater maze is not just a geological marvel, but also pivotal in sustaining the ecosystem and freshwater supply across Europe. The exact extent and pathways of this subterranean network remain a mystery, making Lake Toma a source of intrigue and endless fascination.
Ever heard of the night sky owl?
In the heart of Norway's deep forests, there's a tale not often told. It's about the night sky owl, a mystical creature that guards the secrets of the universe. This owl is no ordinary bird. Its feathers shimmer with the colors of the aurora borealis, and it's said that its eyes hold the vastness of the night sky. Legend has it that on the darkest nights, when the stars shine the brightest, the night sky owl emerges from its hidden nest among the ancient pines. It flies silently over the villages, spreading a magical peace that lulls every living being into a restful sleep, blessing them with dreams filled with starlight and cosmic wonders. Those who have claimed to see it speak of an overwhelming sense of calm and a newfound understanding of the universe's vast beauty. But beware, for the owl also guards the night silence zealously. Any disturbance, and it will disappear, taking its magical tranquility with it until the stars invite it back. This beautiful guardian remains one of Norway's most enchanting mysteries, reminding us of the magic that lies in nature.
Did you ever hear about the phantom dancers of Russia?
In the heart of Siberia, under the eternal twilight, a legend whispers among the windswept snow dunes. It tells of the Zoria dancers, ethereal phantoms dancing across the night skies. These spectral beings were once believed by locals to be guardians of the boundary between our world and the cosmos. On the rarest nights, when the sky blooms with the aurora's embrace, the Zoria dancers appear, twirling in an endless ballet among the stars. They say that to witness their dance is to be granted a lifetime of fortune, but with a catch: you must never try to reach out to them. For those who have, the stories tell, were swept away into the cosmos, becoming stars themselves, forever to dance in the night. This tale, though hidden in the folds of the vast Russian lore, serves as a reminder of the beauty and mystery that dances just beyond our reach in the endless night.
Did you enjoy these 10 strange facts? We will bring you more interesting topics in the next video, so be sure to subscribe to our channel and enjoy.